Freedom. Freedom is still a luxury for me. In a nation that is celebrating freedom since 1947, I want my freedom too. I want my freedom to live and not killed for my gender. I am a human. I also desire for love, affection, tender. I want my freedom to education, to learn, to grow. And to choose my profession. I want my freedom to choose clothes, be it rug, shrug or shorts. I want my freedom to speak without fear. I can't hold it anymore. Promise me you won't take me for a whore. I need my freedom to confess. I was molested as a child. Feel my pain as I express. I want the freedom to be not mocked. If I say #MeToo, I don't want to be scared of darkness. I don't want to always live in distress. I want the freedom to feel safe in my home, on the roads, in this society. Your bra strap is visible. Your lipstick color is not appropriate. Please stop it now. I'm suffocating. I need freedom from this cat calling. I need freedom from dowry. I need freedom from being called a burden. Stop trading me, I'm a person. I need my freedom to choose my partner, male or female. I need my freedom to consummate before or after marriage. I need my freedom to be a mother or not. I need my freedom from you to not tell me what to do. I'm a woman, creator of the universe. Give me my freedom. You owe this to me.